Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Accounts Guru Cool. Learn accounting online. So today we are here to discuss about the R2R practical approach to ensure while doing the month-end close. Whenever we are going to do the month-end close, what approach we have to follow that's going to be or which going to give us the more accuracy from the month-end standpoint, considering that the R2R, the month end activities is more important, and we have to perform that month end activities within the limited time frame, and we have to do the time bound performance with more accuracy. So, considering that, it's important for us to know what the practical approach we have to follow, which going to ensure we are going to close the month with more accuracy. And that's exactly we are going to discuss here. So request viewers to be with us till the end of this. Request viewers to like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. If you want to connect with us related to any sort of training, either that's going to be your R2R, P2P, O2C, then you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. The month-end close process refers to a set of accounting steps to review, record, and reconcile accounts. Knowing that from the month end activities for the R2R, we know how much is going to be the important for that. Each and every interview when you used to go to attain, you are able to hear out the same questions is related to what is mean by month end activity, how you are going to perform the month end activity, how you are going to ensure that you are going to uh, ensure the more accuracy and correctness while closing the month. The sort of questions is going to be there when it's going to be the month end close and when you are going to attain the interview towards the record to report. So considering that the month end close process refers to a set of accounting steps to review, record, and reconcile accounts. When we are going to do the month end close, we have to follow the some processes. We have to go through with the checklist. We have to review our accounts, and we have to reconcile the certain accounts to ensure with the more accuracy. That's all we are going to discuss here. In order to close books for each period, it's required to collect information from various sources and ensure that records have been properly kept. So we are there to collect the information from the respective department to ensure that the records have been properly kept. While the process itself will depend on the types of business and account methods applied, that's again based on the company's process, what methods we have to apply for that particular businesses, the process is going to depend on that. It's typically to review information like inventory totals, balance sheets, total fixed assets, bank account informations, revenue totals, income and expense account informations, GL data. That's related to the month end close. But now, the next, we have to discuss on how we are going to ensure what are going to ensure that yet to discuss. Whether you perform the month end close process manually or automatically, having a verified approach in place can help to ensure correctness while month end close. That's the first step what we have to do. Confirm the transactions. This is the proven approach. This is what we also used to follow when we are ensuring the month end close with the more accuracy. Confirm transactions. It means you have to ensure get the confirmation on all the transactions. Giving example, post payroll, ensure timesheets have been approved. So when you are going to ensure the payroll entries, you have to ensure the approval is there in the place. You have the biometrics attendance or the timesheet have been approved, the respective manager has been approved that time sheets, then only you have to consider to post the payroll entry in the system. Next, verify all accounts payable bills are existing in your accounting systems. So that's not going to be 100% to ensure that, because of based on the volume, how much volume you have. If you have the 2,000, 3,000 transactions per month related to accounts payable, then that's not feasible for you to re-verify all the bills are in place and you check that. But yes, you have to verify the based on the volume with value. The high value expenses you have to validate with the invoices to ensure that the transaction is correct and the accounting has been done the correctly. Next is going to be generate all recurring invoices. Whatever the recurring invoice is going to be required from the revenue sides, it's ensure that that has already been generated in the systems. Verify all accounts, receivables, invoices are existing in your accounting systems. So one of the basic principles of the accounting is that you have to do the entries based on the verifiable data. So for each and every entry, what you're doing in the systems, you have to ensure the proper supporting backup is there in the place. Verify that expense reports have been submitted and approved. Whatever the reimbursement of expenses or uh, ex- any other expenses you have the book in the systems or your team booked in the systems, you have to verify that either that has been approved or not. Record all invoice payments related to whatever the payments we have done. We have to ensure we have recorded that in the system. Post all credit and debit card charges. Now the businesses also started to use the debit cards, credit cards related to all the transactions. So we have to get the statement for that as well. And we have to ensure that all the transactions we have posted in the system. That's related to your confirm the transactions. The first approach towards the month end close is that you need to get the uh, confidence, you need to get the assurance towards the confirmation on the transactions. Whatever the transactions has been recorded in the systems, you need to get the comfort on that. That's related to confirm the transactions. Next is going to be posting closing entries in the journal. So the first you confirm, you get the confirmation on the what's happened in the systems. You re-verified with the supporting documents for that. Now the next, you have to do the focus towards the posting the closing entries in the GL. That's going to be depreciation entry, amortizations, other expenses, and revenue. Ensure the accuracy of all the entire records, post accruals, deferrals, and reversal, review revenue recognitions, and post from schedules. So this is related to your month-end activities of the GL entries. That's going to be you have to run the depreciations, you have to run the revaluations, you have to ensure the amortization entries there in the place. You have to ensure the accrued expenses, provision for expenses, that's a booked, reverse, prepaid expense of new reclassification of the prepaid. You have entered the unbilled entry in the systems. You have done the reversal of the previous month entries, and you have to ensure the revenue has been recognized as per the revenue recognition schedules, and you have to ensure all the provisions has been taken care in the systems. That's all is going to be part of your posting closing entries in the general journal. Once that's done, next is going to be close the sub ledgers. Either the SL has been closed, that's also you have to ensure. Then next, once the SL is closed, then reconcile all accounts. That's going to be bank statements, accounts payable aging to sub ledger. That's the SLGL reconciliations, account receivable aging subledger, account receivable SLGL reconciliation, prepaid fixed asset, deferred revenue accounts, work in progress, that's a CBIB, inventory. So once you done the first three steps, you have to jump towards the reconciliations. This is going to be your bank reconciliations. If any amount is not reconciled, you have to take the entry for that. You have to ensure the SLGL reconciliation is in the place, the prepaid reconciliation, fixed asset reconciliations, deferred revenue reconciliations, accrued expense reconciliations, your uh, FD, that's a investment reconciliation, your TDS receivable reconciliation, compliance reconciliations, salary payable reconciliations, everything you have to ensure through reconcile all accounts. Next is going to be, and the last, review reports. Once you've done the first four steps, you have to jump on the review reports. That's a profit and loss variance, balance sheet, budget versus actual, comparative analysis. That's you have to do it. Then once you that's all steps you ensure, then your month end is going to be more smooth with accuracy, correctness, and with quality. That's related to R2R, practical approach to ensure while doing the month end close. Thanks, guys, for being with us till the end. And request viewers to like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. And if you have any query, if you have any case study, or you want to ask us to create some content for your scenario, then you can put it that in the comment, and that's going to be helpful for all of the viewers as well. And we will definitely going to come up with the more content related to accounting and finance, what you are going to ask, and that's going to be helpful for all the viewers. Thanks, guys, once again for being with us, and request viewers to like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. Thank you.